Hello everyone. Could you please write in the chat if you can hear what I'm saying? Hello. Okay, yeah, thank you very much. Let me then share my screen first. Welcome to International Workshop on Automated Program Repair. First, I would like to introduce our organizing committee. So my name is Sergey, I am from UCL, and my colleagues are Tan Shin Hui from SUSTEC, Martin Montpirus from KTH, and John Lin Min from UIUC. So even though this is technically the second edition of our workshop, unfortunately, due to the COVID, last year presentations were cancelled. All the papers are available, so you can check them out. So this is going to be the first edition where we actually have actual meeting. And in the view of organizing committee, software bugs are not going to disappear in the nearest future. So you can expect that there will be also future editions of this workshop, like for example, APR 22, APR 23, so on, APR 29 and 99, until maybe we will have to change the method of numeration. So now let me give you a short overview of our schedule. We will first start with a keynote by Professor Wesley Weimer. Then there will be two sessions consisting each of 4 presentations separated by a 35 minutes break. Specifically, we will have first the presentation Refining Fitness Functions for Search-Based Program Repair. Please hold on, more time equals more patches. Automated Program Repairs Anytime algorithm. Exploring plausible patches using source code embedding in JavaScript. Tackling software architecture erosion, joint architecture and implementation repairing by a knowledge-based approach. Then 35 minutes break. And after that, we will have domain variant-based spreadsheet debugging, automated code repair to ensure spatial memory safety, extractive summarization of related bug fixing commands in support of bug repair, and challenging the stigma of formal program repair. After that, we will also have a 5-minute closing live stream. So this workshop is going to focus on discussions, and we encourage you to participate in discussions actively. Specifically for each presentation, we will have first a video that is going to be or 12, depending on the type of paper, and then later 5 or 8 minutes of discussion. And by the way, sometimes there will be also a small gap between the video and the discussion. So during this gap, you may, for example, think about what kind of questions you would like to ask and type them in the chat. Also, your questions are going to be later read by chairs. If you would like to continue discussions on program repair after the workshop, you can use the discussion forum of programrepair.org website. And also, if you have some technical problems, just either message chairs on Cloudo, or if you have some issue with Cloudo, because sometimes the presentations, the messages are not very reliable, you can also send me email to s.michtaev@uclac.uk, and I will try to reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, now I would like to introduce the keynote by Professor Wesley Weimer from the University of Michigan on program repair, patch quality, and human factors. So program repair, it's okay. I think